New Toyota GR86 confirmed? MR2 comeback rumors and 2026 Yuzu edition reveal. Toyota fans, we've got some exciting news. If you are into affordable sports cars, rear-wheel drive thrills, and a little bit of JDM nostalgia, you are going to love this update from Toyota's Gazoo racing lineup. First up, yes, the Toyota GR86 isn't going anywhere just yet. Despite today's world being dominated by SUVs, the GR86 continues to shine as a lightweight, rear-wheel drive driver's car. It's a rare breed, and Toyota knows it. Toyota's Vice President of Product Planning, Cooper Erickson, told Motor Trend that the GR86 plays a very important role in the GR family, and the brand fully intends to keep that driving excitement alive in future generations. In fact, it's as essential to Toyota as the Tacoma pickup is, even if it doesn't sell in massive numbers. That says a lot about their commitment to pure driving fun. And while we wait for that possible next-gen GR86, feast your eyes on this, the 2026 GR86 Yuzu Special Edition. This stunner comes in a bright yellow that throws it back to the 2015 Scion FRS Series 1.0. Under the hood? Still the same awesome 228 horsepower 2.4 liters flat-4 engine. But you get the performance pack as standard, and a choice between a 6-speed manual or automatic. Only 860 units will be sold in the US, so yeah, it's a collector's dream. Now, you might be wondering, will there be a gap before we see a new GR86? Toyota's being a little vague, but their goal is to avoid any downtime, unlike the Supra, which took a 20-year break. And speaking of iconic cars, the Toyota MR2. Rumors of a revival are heating up, but Toyota's keeping tight-lipped for now. That said, even top executives admit they've heard the rumors too. What is clear is that Toyota wants more sporty GR cars. From the GR Corolla to the GR Supra, the brand is proving that performance doesn't have to break the bank, and it's attracting both young and older enthusiasts alike. So, what do you want to see next from Toyota's GR lineup? A new MR2? A turbocharged GR86? Drop your dream car in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car updates.